Look at you, little baby.
Hey, you got your eyes all open. You got your eyes all open. Yeah. You getting warm?
That was so nice.
Yeah, it does. Put my hand, it's like a...
Did you see what
Yeah, she cocked her head back.
Alright, we're not going to put any soap on her face.
Okay.
You going to cry?
She wasn't crying, yes. She said she likes it. I don't know about that.
I don't know about that either. I don't know about that. And we say no soap on their face, but when we do their hands always go up on their face.
Hi.
You're a good baby, Sona. You're a sweetheart.
And her name?
Sona.
You still kept, I didn't know if you were going to change it or if you guys were definite. Sonia. Miss Sona, huh? Getting your creases. All these little hair here on her shoulder, it'll all come off.
Yeah.
It'll fall off.
Yeah.
She won't look all hairy.
I mean, I know he wanted a boy too.
Yeah.
You need to shave, young lady.
Yeah, some good butter come. They have all that stuff on their skin still. Sona.
Hey, baby. You're gonna sleep good after this.
Yeah. What, sweetie?
You sit down? Baby stuff. Baby stuff? Oh, yeah. Johnson not so popular here.
Oh my, you got a pouty lip. You got a pouty lip.
It's okay, baby. It's okay. Oh, don't make that sad face.
Yeah. Is there any prizes in here?
Yeah.
Yep.
Right after she pees. Come in, please, please.